Welcome to our today's feature presentation, Daily Stock Trading Wonders. We invite you to experience how to identify trade setups that have a strong potential for directional move, and we show you how to translate daily signals into shorter term signals, and also how to trade long term. My name is Thomas Barman. I'm your presenter today, and I want to give you here a little disclaimer and make you aware of the risk in trading. With this done, let us dive into the details. When we predict, we make an expectation for the future outcome of a trade. However, you don't have to do that on your own. With the Never Lost Trading alerts, we help you to predict the outcome directionally and also how far a price move shall reach. So what we always do in every trade, and we encourage everybody to do so continuously, having a clear set goal, having a clear set stop, and having a clear set time that should be staying in the trade. This recording is done on July 11, early morning Eastern Daytime, and it summarizes the trades that were identified, or the setups that were identified for July 10. The report came out on July 8th, giving all the subscribers the opportunity to nicely prepare for Monday morning trading, and we will see the outcome of this. What we are looking at is the Never Lost Trading all-in-one alert, so you basically see from all the different systems that we provide the alerts that were mentioned, and we always give clear-cut entries, exits, and stop levels for all these individually highlighted trade setup opportunities so that you can easily follow through with them, or through buy stop orders or through sell stop orders. But also what we show today is how to translate daily signals, that's what they are, into day trading or shorter term signals. To help our traders, subscribers, and long-term investors, we put together, usually on a weekend, a short outlook. And it's set here after the financial market closed on 7/7. We see the following: a potential sell program if the low, the weekly low of the SPY is taken out in a following week, or we see, on the other hand, a potential bullish cup formation, so a formation to the upside, when the high of the daily chart of the SPY, or even on the other hand, the YM and the ES is taken out to the upside. And that happened. And so therefore, long strategies were predominant to shorter term strategies, but also we show you how we identified some of the short-term trading opportunities and realized them on the short side. We provide our traders and subscribers with multiple level of signals coming from monthly through weekly, through daily to 4-hour signals, and even shorter term. And we show you here that was the universe of stocks that our system selected, saying they have a certain kind of a market pressure directionally. You see some of them bullish, some of them bi-directional, up or down, and some of them bearish. And we want to look on the outcome of those potential directional price moves, and if you had participated in them, how you could have realized those opportunities. In a quick summary, our systems provided 7 bullish setups, 4 bidirectional setups here, so when the one or the other side is taken out, that's the direction we take, and 2 bearish setups. When we then realize how many trades came out of this, we saw 9 long potential opportunities and 4 short trading opportunities. However, we only trade on confirmed signals. That means we define for every trade a price threshold. If that's surpassed in the next candle, so that would be on July 10, then we trade. If that's not the fact, then we're not going to trade. And you will see here, out of those 13 opportunities, 1 had the case that its signal from Friday was not surpassed on Monday morning, and thus we didn't trade that opportunity. Let us now do one thing. We'll take our number 1 opportunity here, highlighted Amazon, bullish long, and we show you how to translate that daily signal into multiple short-term trades throughout the day or directly into a shorter-term signal. Why was that? Because at the beginning of the week we said, based on the underlying pressure, we prefer short to long-term trading for now, and with that we try to realize what we can in a day. Yeah, sometimes that's the strategy because the markets are ambiguous, so no clear directional move. So why would we want to be engaged for long term if the market has not made a long-term decision? So thus, we are going to translate this now into a shorter term signal. and do so on a daily chart first. Yeah, so we'll have a look so that also those are not one-hit wonders, they are repetitive patterns. And what you see here is multiple signals on a chart. These dark or brownish signals, they come from turn point. This here is a never lost trading trend catching signal, and the orange one would be a top line signal. So we combine a couple of these signals here to see all of these individual systems talk to each other, work with each other, and usually we are in a trade 1 to 5 bars. So you saw here realization, there was the target dot. 1, 2, 3, 4 days later, yeah, we hit it. Yeah, there was another signal in between, but it wouldn't matter. We would be in a trade already. And here realizing that candle. And you see the most important thing, after that price move expansion was realized, then the price turned around, gave us here a long signal, and we were able to trade Monday morning to the upside within having a clear-cut idea where to best get out before the prices might halter, reverse, retrace, or also potentially break out, but that doesn't matter for us because we wanted to trade short-term just for the day. The way we translate daily signals into shorter term signals is very, very simple and easy to follow, yeah? But it's not easy if you don't have the charts. So look at it here. So if the high of Friday was taken out, which was the case at the open, then we would have bought into Amazon and traded for a consecutive direction. So you see here for $4.50, and then afterwards we would just exit. So it's all on the dashboard. However, you could have also traded it saying, no, I want to have a confirmed signal. So that means I want to see on that chart where it opens, and I trade it on a daily chart, and that would be where I get out of my trade, except that I get a continuous signal on the chart again, which was the case here, and so you could have forwarded it. That's on a 1 hour chart, but also we can trade the happening on a 30-minute chart, and you see here you got two signals, a top line signal and a trend catching signal talking to each other, and with the top line signal you get a price expansion of 2 SPOOs, so that's the minimum expected price move we have, and when 2 SPOOs are reached, you have an 85% chance for the price to halter. So that's a good place to take out the trade. But you saw here we had another confirming signal to the upside, which also realized. And that's how you can trade with clear-cut entries, with clear-cut stops. There's always a stop here on the chart, and with a clear-cut expectation how far the price move shall reach, helping you to do that on multiple time frames. And I show you an example later for a short trade and also for a very, very long-term trade in a long-term direction of a stock. When we summarize all of these 13 trading opportunities that were highlighted by our systems, you saw one didn't realize. Here, Amgen didn't take out the low of the prior day. Yeah, and with that didn't come to give us a directional trading opportunity, so no trade. So we were working basically with 12 trading opportunities. Out of those 12 trading opportunities, 10 came 100% to target. One ended up being stopped, Procter & Gamble, that turned around on us, and Merck on the short side did only get to 50% of its target by the end of the day, where we would have closed a day trading opportunity. But that's substantial, so an attainment rate of 88%, and we always propagate high probability trading systems should have a probability to predict the direction and the price expansion with 65%. So with 88% of the opportunities realized, we were far above of the target. And we can clearly state that we had a very high probability trading strategy coming to market on July 10, realizing basically 11 out of 12 trades in the right direction and only having one loss. Our systems highlight trading opportunities for stocks and their options, for futures, for Forex, and we publish those daily, but also we publish them once a week for weekly signals and once a month for monthly signals, where you can start to focus depending on the time frame you like to stay in a trade for. And we'll help you identifying your entries, your exit, your stops, or what we say the adjustment level. Why do we talk about an adjustment level? Because we always want you to have a plan B aside from the directional opportunity. If something goes wrong, we help you how you can fix a trade and turn potentially a losing trade into a winner within adding to the trade. However, you will not need money for doing that trade in addition to what you invested. Here again, 88% attainment rate, very high attainment rate, and we offer for multiple of our systems in the Never Lost Trading Alerts a week for free. Yeah, you can subscribe to us and for a week for free get our signals, helping you to identify trading opportunities for all asset classes. What I want to do now is invite you of how to realize a short trading opportunity. On a Never Lost Trading alert, we had Home Depot as a short trading opportunity. So that was basically here. On that signal, it says go short if the low is taken out. And then either you close out at the day, or as you saw it, you trade with a 30 or 1 hour chart and realize those opportunities. And in the case of Home Depot, that happened. Yeah. So you saw here, nice. We went short and we accumulate basically on the prior basis. This is our simple chart, which is called the tradecolors.com chart. And we are trading on 2 color setups. That would have been the case here, trading it to the downside. This would have not been realized as a trading opportunities with trade colors. But as said, we're looking at different systems. So another system had thrown in here, go short if Home Depot cuts out to the low. And we did that and realized the opportunity at the end of the day. If you're trading from an IRA, you could have realized that opportunity by trading an option. We call our concept Never Lost Trading Delta Force option trading concept, where we help you to specify the price you want to pay, the time to expiration you want to buy, and also at which delta or strike price you're going to enter into a trading opportunity for being most beneficial to you. Staying for a moment with Home Depot, you see the following. That's a monthly chart for Home Depot. And in December of last year, basically, it said go long. And if that price level of 145.83 is reached, then you might want to get out of the trade. And here you had another trading opportunity, which was spelling out at the 160 level, better get out. And you saw here what happened at the 160 level. But by having the Never Lost Trading alerts, you're always aware where prices move. So you could have moved with the price move of Home Depot to the upside and afterwards realize your profit and put your money into an asset that is moving. So that's a big opportunity which we provide you to not stay just with one asset, but to realize long-term gains in the direction chosen and identified by the system. First of all, where to enter, where to exit, where to place your stop. And also you will learn, if we jointly work together, of how you can realize a trailing stop opportunity as well if you don't want to trade that often. So that all is in a box with all of our systems, and we teach you multiple trading strategies so that you can trade where the markets move. When high probability trading and investing is for you, then call us at 866-455-4520. We are happy to give you a personal demonstration where you can see how the systems work in your benefit. We are working one-on-one with our students, focusing on your specific wants and needs and your best available days and times. So we are happy to take your challenge where you call the symbol and we show you the attainment rate of our individual systems and work out what fits you best. And so therefore, if you like to do that, write us an email at contact@neverlosttrading.com, and we are happy to come together and start working with you, helping you to build yourself up to be the trader or investor that you want to be. Thank you very much for your attention.